Hi planner peeps, welcome. This is Danny with Fancy Pants Plans. Today I'm working in my classic vertical for the week of July 4th through the 10th. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos in the future. I'm trying to grow my channel, trying to be more consistent with uploading videos. That's my goal for the rest of the summer. So hang around and see my channel grow. Today I'm going to be using the Cheerful Seasons, the 4th of July icons, as well as some of the boxes from Seasons that has the full box quotes with some Mojo Jojo. Wow, that's hard to say so fast. Red and blue boxes from her summer boxes. So I kind of want to start with the side. Maybe we'll do a blue, because I think I used the red one already for my classic, or for my big this week. And I'll link that in the cards up above. Check that out. That was fun to make. So I'm gonna do the blue long box with the blue long box with this red Let Freedom Ring box. Oops, it slipped out of my hand. Probably should do it sideways. I should know better. And these should fit the sidebar perfect because it's for a classic. Pretty close, pretty close. All right, and then this one can go here. Not really sure. I think I use this for like a running, like tasks that don't have to be done on a certain day. Okay. It'll be fun to have a firework there. So let me add, boom. Okay. Then I thought we would do down the middle with just icons. I guess I'll just take the page out. I'll probably use it all. I'm gonna take off the tape, or the other sticker page, which I think is, I love doing that. Get some hot dogs, the sticker, or the stars, firework. All right, oops. There we go. I think that's the funnest part of a new sticker book. All right, so I want to do some fireworks on the Monday. Do that here. And maybe one of these traditional hats to go with it. Just kind of grab the icons as we lay them out as we go. Was there a hamburger? No hamburger. That's okay. Maybe we need another burst of fireworks. The hat. Maybe put it down just a little bit lower. Oop. I do not wear baseball hats. They do not look good on my head. Okay, let's try to add some to this side. Do one over here. I love making these. It's fun to make, and then it's fun to see during the week. Just to have some so this is my work planner, so I like having a little bit of well, I mean, kid-like, I'm not sure what the right term is, but something that's not so heavy, you know, like something that brings me joy. And these icons definitely bring me joy. The hat, need like a summer hat, or maybe the baseball hat works good because that's all American. Need the popsicle. I do like these popsicles. We're running out of room. Okay, let's put that one down. We'll put more stars, maybe right there. Then we can do the other, that's fun. And then the popsicle can go right there. Oh, that's so cute. All right, so then I did have this one too. Make some magic. I thought it'd be fun to put here. And then good times, because it's, well, that's not fun. The silver doesn't match the gold. Why would they do that to us? You should never mix your metals, but looks like I'm gonna. Or I don't like mixing metals, but oh, that's not coming up. That's gonna be a little crooked. I don't like mixing metals, but that's okay. Oh, that's so funny. Only wake me up for tacos. I think this will be fun to do another collage spread for in the more summertime. Out of the office. That's pretty funny for my work planner, I think. All right, where should we put this? Maybe like here? Yeah. Oh, then I could possibly use the holographic foil, because I was thinking maybe I shouldn't because of the gold in the icons, but if there's, is that shiny? Yeah, it's silver. So I might as well. All right, let's see, let's do a couple boxes for Tuesday. Oh, I should see if I can pull this up, because the holographic is kind of silvery, so it should match. And let's do a red box. Okay. Wait, one of those is really crooked. Ooh. Well, I'm putting it back down, so hopefully I ripped the page, but it should be all right. That still looks a little crooked. Oh well. Then we can have some on Monday. One thing I like about the big is that the classic sizes don't fit the boxes, so it's a little bit easier to have some grace with, if you're like, if it's really crooked, it's not as noticeable, I feel like, but in the classic, it's totally noticeable because it's not in the lines. But, oh wow. All right, so let's do some, speaking of lines, we can do some lines here. Just gonna grab the pin. There. Being creative is so messy. Okay. And then with the Monday being a holiday, it'll give me some extra room to write up there, I guess. Then why don't we do some lines up here? And then maybe a box. I don't think there's any meetings. I do have a meeting here, so that'll be for that. Then we can do some down here. It is the first of the month, which is pretty busy at work. And being short-staffed, it will be extra busy in the holiday week. So that's why I like to have fun planners to give me some joy. And then maybe Sunday. Maybe extra boxes on Saturday. Okay, cute. All right, so pull this. Oh no, oh wait, I thought the whole thing came out. It didn't. Okay, so let's do, ooh, that's a nice red. But I don't want to change up the colors. All right, maybe we should do this way. So it's hopefully straight, or at least in the boxes. Could be crooked in the box, that would be fine with me. And then we can do that. Let's do a blue and red. Oh, what if we did all three? Red, white, or the hollow blue? Okay. Red. Oh, I should do the red one first. Put that one on the top. Oop. Sorta. And then is that gonna fit right in? I think it's gonna be a little crooked. Maybe this red will come up. If I can get it. Oops, sorry. Nope, it's not, it's gonna stay. Okay. Then let's do, should we do a blue box down here? We could do we have a double box? No, I think I used them both. Or there was just one double box. Oh, there is that one. If I did a double box though, it would be all lines down here, and I don't want that. So we'll just be risky and do line up the sticker on the short side. If you line it up on the long side, more likely to get it straighter, in my opinion. If you line it up on the longer side, you're more likely to. That looks a little funny. Do anything here? Maybe a checklist. Then we could do a checklist. Let's just use up all the foil stickers. And then a red one. Go all out. We only celebrate America's birthday once. All right, so now I have some words, planner words from Calibo Plan I'm going to put down. So I am in the office on Tuesday and Friday. I just say work, not like I'm not working the other days, but to me, so I know I'm in the office. And then this can go here. We'll do. All right, now that the words are all down, I thought it'd be fun to add some of this Spotty Dotty washi from Live Love Posh, just a little bit on the page. Yeah, that's real crooked. But sometimes you put stickers down and they're not coming up. So, woo! What the heck? That washi never rips. Oh well. And then how about here? And then there. I think this turned out so fun. I can't wait to write in it this week at work. Thanks for hanging out with me creating a spread for July 4th through the 10th using Cheerful Seasons and Seasons from Happy Planner with Mojo Jojo summer boxes. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!